All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto lovers trading. Hope everybody's doing well. Monday evening, a little after 6 p.m. I wanted to do a quick update. Just popped in. Wow, what a day. What a day. If you've been out busy, you've been watching all that Ukrainian stuff, if you've been like being focused on other things because it's Monday, it's one of those manic Mondays, well, the market is definitely in the grips of a manic Monday. Really great day. Obviously, if you followed the videos going into the weekend, you knew the setup. If you've been following on Twitter, you've been kind of following along over the weekend. I'm trying to do a little bit because there's basically two different audiences from YouTube to Twitter and then on Facebook. But you kind of know where we've been at here, and I want to do this really quick video because really I kind of feel like I'm just now diving into it, but I can tell you right now, looking at what I'm seeing, the pattern repeating here, we are looking at RSI levels about to cross over into the overbought area of 70. Okay, so those of you that are open, remember, Bitcoin Cash here, the last Bitcoin Cash entry call was at about $300 to $302. Okay, because I know a lot of people got in it between that range when the call was made, obviously. And this is the 4-hour chart, and you've seen the move here. Now, why was that call made? Remember, we always like to back test the reasons why, okay? Because we want to validate and provide you proof regarding the methods that are being taught and regarding things that I'm teaching in a one-on-one mentoring session, which is free, by the way. So anyone can get a hold of me and anyone can ask for that. You're not being charged for that. You know, if you have any questions, but basically using the 7 and 21 day method, that's the 7-day moving average, 21-day moving average. You saw what happened here. This was why it was bullish, okay? You saw what happened here. This is why it was bullish. You kind of go back test these calls all the way back. And what I can reiterate to you guys, and can't express this enough, is there are forces on Twitter and there are forces on YouTube that do not want you to engage in leverage, okay? They don't. They're anti-leverage, just like people could be anti-derivative trading, options trading, whatever. I mean, okay? But the reality of it is they're coming in from a perspective that it's so risk avert, like, risk, and it's not, and all those things. It's like they focus on that because there's a lot of people that are on Twitter that are bad actors and YouTube that are bad actors that basically only care about your trades. They don't care about whether or not you're profitable in your trades because they're getting paid commissions off of your trading. Okay. And so they're the ones, the same people that are telling you not to leverage trade, have links to Binance, have links to Bybit on their actual YouTube channels for that purpose. So it's kind of like, a mixture of kind of absurdity. But what I tell people and reiterate to people, first of all, leverage trading is not for everyone, but you don't have to go 25, 50, 100x absurdity. You don't, okay? You can do simple 3x. You can do a 1x trade, okay? Very simple. You can stay below 5x and do very, very well with methods that you apply. Very simple. You do not have, and then as you get more experienced in trading, you leverage and ratchet it up. There are times in this market where you will want to go 20x, 25x. You will learn when those times are, okay? There are also times when you want to go 1x, 3x, 5x. There's nothing wrong with that. The market is screaming to you and telling you what you should be doing. The problem is 90% of the people out there don't know how to read the market. And that's when they lose. They convince some guru is convincing them for, $10,000 a year that they should be 50x or 40, the magic number 46x. There's no magic pill, okay? There's not. All right? But what there is magic in being able for you to identify these moves and these lines that become fault lines, either up or down, short or long, okay? And you can see here on these videos, and go back and back test my videos, okay? And go back and look at that. Look at what I said about Bitcoin Cash last Thursday, going into the weekend. Look at what I said about Ethereum Classic, correlated to Ethereum. Bitcoin Cash, correlated to Bitcoin. What did I say? I said, if we get the move up off of bottoming of Bitcoin, those assets are going to move higher, correlated with Bitcoin at the time, $38,000, right? Today got as high as 44-ish. Ethereum got as high as the 2,950 level, okay? And this is how these assets that are correlated and are forks, more or less, okay, rise up.